Setting up Interac transfer on Scotiabank is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Interac e-transfer is a popular method for sending and receiving money in Canada, and Scotiabank offers this service to its customers. To register, you can select the Interac verification service button when you see it on a web page as an option, or you can download the app. First, visit the App Store or Play Store to download the Interac verification service app. Go to the Scotiabank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Once the app is installed, open it and sign up. Within your online banking account, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. The exact location and labeling may vary depending on the specific version of the online banking platform. So select the Interac e-transfer option or something similar in the Transfers section. This is where you will initiate and manage Interac e-transfers. And if you haven't already registered your email address or mobile number for Interac e-transfer, you will need to do so. Follow the instructions to register your contact information. And to send money via Interac e-transfer, you will need to add your recipient's contact information. This typically includes their email address or phone number. Make sure the information is accurate, as it is used to notify the recipient. Now, choose the Scotiabank account from which you want to send money and specify the amount you wish to transfer. Create a security. Also, for added security, you can create a security question and answer that the recipient will need to provide to claim the funds. The recipient must answer this question correctly to access the funds, and carefully review the transfer detail, including the recipient's contact information, the amount, and the security question. Confirm that everything is correct.